What's up everyone? So this one is a really quick video. Today we are going to convert the default telescope Neovim UI into something like modern and material UI looking thing. So this is really easy to do. All you have to do is just copy everything I have here into your configuration. I don't have any external dependencies. Just copying everything I have here is enough, and we are using two Neovim APIs. One is get highlight by name, then the second one is set highlight. I have defined a bunch of colors. I have hard coded the hash code of them. I don't usually do this, but I wanted you to be able to follow this code easily, so that's why I have hard coded them. What you're doing here is we are just overriding existing colors that has been defined by telescope. So these are predefined color groups by telescope, and I'm just setting the foreground and the background of them, or overriding the foreground and background of them. FG means the text color, foreground color, then we have background color, background of the text. That's the basic idea, and there are a bunch of different styles you can use. You can just do a help search for Neovim set highlight, and it will basically, you can do underlines and bold the font and all that stuff also, but we are only using foreground and background. When you pass in 0, it's going to be a global highlight change. Sometimes I have noticed sometimes the color may not change. That's because some other plugin or somewhere else you're overriding the existing color groups. That could be the reason if the colors are not changing. I have to note that. Then sometimes it's the language saver that's replacing all the color groups. Sometimes it messes up the some highlights you may have set, but I don't see a way, or I don't see a possible case that would override the telescope highlights. Usually it's going to be code syntax, so I think this should work. Just copying everything here should work. But if not, you can put a comment there. Maybe I can try to debug or help you to debug it. Then, if you may have noticed, the icons, search icon and the caret, current selection caret, is also changed. To change them in telescope, you have to pass in these three properties. Prompt prefix is the search icon. I don't know why that icon is not displayed correctly in Chrome. Then we have selection caret. As I said, the circle is the selection caret, and I have padding between the selection caret. I have 2 spaces. So entry prefix is bunch of spaces. That's basically the not selected entries I have here. Selected entry has 3 character long padding, so I have added 3 spaces here for not selected ones, so they are aligned. These properties you have to pass into the setup function of telescope. Then if you are wondering what other highlight groups available for you to change or do whatever, these are the telescope highlight groups that you have. I will link all these pages in the video description below if you want to check them out. So thanks for watching. Have a nice day.